Following the anti-Sikh riots, Vidya Rani moved out of Trilokpuri with her 6 children. Living in Gadi in Lajpat Nagar, far from the haunting memories of the riots, she had hoped to make a new life. But 25 years later, the pain and the anger is still raw.
हम थोड़ी इंदिरा गांधी मानने गए, हम तो नहीं इंदिरा गांधी मानने गए, हम तो हर साल कांग्रेस को वोट देते हैं। सब कुछ पैसा नहीं है, पैसा भी कहाँ से कमाने? 6 बच्चे हैं, लेके जनानी कहाँ जाएगी? सरकारी नौकरी करते थे ना ये मेरे सरदार जी, तो उस वक्त तनख्वाह थोड़ियां ही थी, पर फिर भी काफी गुजारा तो हो ही रहा था ना, अच्छा गुजारा हो रहा था। अच्छा अपने घर में अपने आदमी के साथ चाहे जैसे भी रहो, कोई ये तो नहीं करता, ये तो नहीं कोई करता।
Bhagi Kaur was 30 when she saw 11 members of her family killed in front of her eyes. With no male left in the family, Bhagi became the breadwinner. But working as a class 4 employee in the New Delhi Municipal Corporation has only brought more misery, she says.
हमारे घर वाले तो घर से बाहर नहीं निकालते थे, आज देखो हम पानी जाके लोगों को पिलाते हैं। बच्चों की पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही, बच्चे बेरोजगार हैं, वो गलत सोसाइटी में पड़ गए, नशे करते हैं। काफी बच्चों का काफी बच्चे मर गए नशे में। मेरा बेटा खुद ही है ऐसा नशे में। मेरे बेटे का 22 साल का सुसाइड हो गया, उसका भी उसने भी यही गोलियां खा ली थी। लोग तो कहते हैं ना अब इतने साल हो गए 84 भूल जाओ, हम कैसे भूलेंगे 84।
Bhagi's only prayer now is that the government deliver on its promise of jobs to the children of victims of 84.
तो इन्हों के यहाँ तो मतलब सारा ही मतलब भी वो था कि भी जो इन्होंने मदद करी कि भी मतलब भी इन्हें छोड़ो इस तरीके से।
Nazir Singh is one of the rare victims of the riots who stayed back in Trilokpuri. The street is a constant reminder of the gory carnage. But Nazir Singh says he has little choice. A young boy of 22 then, Nazir Singh was working in a workshop with dreams of making it big one day. Today, he is a sevadar earning 2,000 rupees a month.
84 ना होता तो आज हम मतलब हमारे यहाँ ट्रक खड़े होते और वर्कशॉप जहाँ मेरे पास में 4 वर्कर थे तो आज मैं मतलब कहीं और ज्यादा तरक्की कर पाता।
25 years have passed, but for the families of the riot victims, it's been an endless wait. Wait for government action.
इतने वादे करने के बाद भी कहानी वहीं की वहीं है।
Wait for dignity.
84 के बाद में आदमी की जो वैल्यू है वो कुछ नहीं, कुत्ते के बराबर रह गई।
Wait for justice.
25 साल हो गए, हर तरीके पे जाते हैं, हर तरीके पे जा हम थक गए, कोई इंसाफ नहीं मिलता है।
Commission after commission, several affidavits and 100 dates with the court. The riot victims have been fighting a long, lonely legal battle against the accused, the system and the government. But 25 years on, justice still eludes them.
31st October 1984, 5:15 p.m., President Jail Singh leaves All India Institute of Medical Sciences after paying his respect to Indira Gandhi. At 5:55, Vinayanagar police station near AIIMS makes a daily diary entry that a motorcycle was set on fire at the AIIMS intersection targeting a Sikh youth. It took 12 more hours to lodge an FIR in the case. The delay was symbolic of the establishment's attitude towards the Sikhs, and it also meant that by 1st November the rioters knew they won't be touched. That attitude of apathy continues 25 years later too. The victims of 1984 fight a lonely legal battle against the accused, the system and also the government.
When the Marwa committee reached to some conclusion, it was about to give its report. Government told, this was around middle of 1985. Government told Marwa, stop your proceedings. Mishra commission has been appointed. Transfer all your records to Mishra. 87 report Mishra says, it's not part of my job to identify anybody. Appoint another committee.
2,733 people were murdered in November 1984, but till date only 9 convictions have happened. A 2-decade-long investigation meant that the well-connected accused could always cite lack of evidence to get away. The Nanavati Commission set up in 2000 recommended action against Jagdish Titler, but CBI maintained there was no evidence and sought to close the case. CN and IBN tracked down key witness Jasbir Singh and Surinder Singh, both willing to testify against Tytler, but CBI declared both witnesses not credible, recommending the case against Tytler be closed.
3 नवंबर को मैंने जगदीश टाइटलर को अपनी आंखों से देखा और कानों से सुना और लोगों को कह रहा है कि मैंने सेंटर में वादा किया है और सबसे ज्यादा सिखों का कत्लेआम मेरे इलाके के अंदर होगा.
For 25 years, these victims have remained hopeful and have run from pillar to post, hoping to get justice one day. But 25 long years later, the popular feeling now is that the current Congress government is busy paying homage to the late Prime Minister, but has totally forgotten the plight of those who suffered after her assassination. In New Delhi, Arunima.